presentation for PharmaNest, which is organized by Open Pharmacy Federation. For today's evaluator, we welcome Dr. V. Kobal, Principal,
Thank you.
Government Pharmacy College, Puducherry. Dr. Rajesh Somani, Principal from School of Pharmacy, Dr. D.Y. Patel University. And Dr. R. Sudhakaran, Principal from Vijaya College of Pharmacy, Telangana, Hyderabad. So we welcome you all. So over to Chavi and Vallika. So we can proceed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Moving on to the presentations.
Thank you so much, sir. Very good evening to one and all. Very good evening to all the juries here. This is Dr. Shivaraman. I'm presently serving as a scientist at Center for Lab Animal Technology and Research. Today, I'm here to present my topic on electrospun hybrid scaffold impregnated composite surgical mask for combating COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. My co-presenters are Dr. Pradeep and Dr. Sundar Manoharan. Can you please switch over to the next slide, please? Yeah, gentlemen, here obviously everyone is aware like the pandemic triggered by the SARS-CoV-2 virus is one of the greatest threat that the human being has ever encountered in the modern history. There are several crucial strategies has been attempted to combat this COVID-19, like a therapeutic strategy is concerning of drug repurposing and prophylactic strategy that we are dealing with the vaccination and all those steps. And with respect to the federal strategy, regulatory authorities like WHO and CDC emphasize more on using this surgical mask on personal protective equipment is concerned. And research clearly says like a droplet infection up to 6 feet is considerably the primary source of the disease transmission. So now it is in a crucial need that we need to revalidate the strategies on the pandemic is being triggered and as of now with respect to that of the mask is of concern, that surgical mask. The next slide, please. Yeah, the obvious chances and the greatest flaw with the conventional surgical mask is like the conventional surgical mask fails to offer an adequate protection for an aerosolized infection with the size range of the particulate size range of 100 to 200 nanometers. In this constant, if we see the viral morphology, the obvious surface morphology of the SARS-CoV-2 virus is obviously between 120 to 160 nanometer. When the virus size particle falls between this size range, surgical mask cannot offer an adequate protection. So there is an ultimate need for use new technology that can effectively improve the air filtration capacity of the conventional surgical mask. So like in these situations, we have come up with a new solution, probably like, can you please switch over to the next slide? Yeah, this research innovation is concerned like we are dealing with electrospin nanofiber. That is electrospun nanofiber technology is normal. We will call it as an ENT technology. This technology offers very ultra thin nanofibers starting from 20 to 200 nanometers. The quite obvious greater thing with the nanofibers is it offers very good perforation and it has a very close proximity of about 99.9% when we lay over the medical textiles. Nanofibers scaffolds provide a very efficient mask, probably like with the dimension less than 100 nanometer particles can be effectively entrapped so that we can provide obvious good protection to frontline workers and also to other people, those who are into the COVID ward or other specialty wards. So if we come to the conclusion on the usage or availability of the biomaterials, probably PVP, PLA, that is polylactic acid, and PLGA type of materials offers a very good textile perforations with the excellent biocompatibility property. So we have a patented technology of developing a nano scaffold with the composite of PVP, that is polyvinyl pyrrolidone, and yeah, here is the very basic differentiation between the conventional surgical mask with that of the nano surgical mask that we emphasize. This nano surgical mask that we emphasize is the technology that operated behind 3 layers. Layer 1 is the primary layer that obviously provides an adequate restoration on entrapping the virus, bacteria, and the other dust and allergens, which made up of PVP with the electrospun nanotechnology owned nanofiber scaffold with the composite of PLA. And the second, electrostatic cotton fiber, that is a second layer. This layer provided to counteract or to sufficiently back up the first layer and also to extend the life of filtration. And the third layer is made up of a soft fabric which is in direct contact with the human skin. It is of highly friendly in nature and also like it provides a good sufficient backup for the previous layer 1 and layer 2. So obvious, if we see the 3 layer, when it comes together, it has a maximum thickness of about 0.2 mm. So the person, those who are about to avail the application of these nanosurgical masks, can have a very efficient air comfort when they are about to use with respect to the high level of air respirator even is concerned. The restoration value and also the protection value is of very high when compared to the conventional surgical mask. The previous model that I have projected is a patented one, and the novelty of our work, the greater impact of our work relies on the development 3-layer module made of a non-woven cloth. It prevents the entry of even ultra-fine particulate matter less than 100 nanometers. And also the woven capacity, that is the electrospin nanofibers with a close proximity of 99.97% offers very high efficient air filtration. And also like it is also having an additional leisure if you can able to effectively coat some antiviral molecules over the surface of the nanofibers. It is then now even act as a capacity to extend its capacity of offering an antiviral protection also. Greater scope of and comfort of developing it to this the commercialization is this nanofiber surgical mask can be done on reel to reel, that is on the case of a large scale production if a very lesser cost. So obviously economical country like India can have its best mask of its kind with high efficient air entrapment as well as the particulate entrapment efficacy. Like a surgical nano mask is highly reliable, that we proposed model of our mask is highly reliable because the process of kickstarted with the phase 1 of our trial, and now we have come up with the electrospin nanofibers with the collaboration with the company and Coimbatore. We are about to even check its efficacy in a very sooner or later period of time. This fabrication of this ultra nano mask is utilizing a novel technology of electrospin nanofiber. So obviously it is having a good production value with respect to this commercialization, and also like on coating with a suitable antiviral molecule, it can tend its even antimicrobial, antiviral property other than effective filtration is concerned. In conclusion, gentlemen, as on date, there is no known cure has been attained for treating this COVID-19. Even the exact duration of this pandemicity is quite unpredictable. Research clearly emphasized that each infected person can able to transmit this infection to 2 to 3 individuals, healthy individuals. So obviously, at this junction, this utilization of a novel technology like electrospin nanofibers for development of a nanosurgical mask, we have a dual advantage. One is with improved air filtration, and another one, it offers an antiviral property if coated with a suitable molecule. So in this pandemic situation, maintenance of individual health and personal hygiene with respect to the knowledge dissemination are the only key way of success to overcome this COVID-19 pandemicity. Thanks for this opportunity. Next slide. Yeah, these are all our publication exclusively on SARS-CoV-2 with respect to COVID-19 since 2020. Previous slide, madam. And we have a good number of patents too. We even on developing this electrospin nanofiber oriented surgical nanomask, and we are in the process of developing a non-alcoholic hand sanitizers. That is, we have a 3 patented filed on this. And we have a good references for this. Thanks to the Operant Pharmacy team, and also to the August jury members and my fellow members for giving me this wonderful opportunity to forecast our opinions to this international audience. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for spending your valuable time in listening this presentation. Thanks once again.
The idea is novel. It is an innovative idea. It is a need of the hour. I have a few questions. What is the cost of?
Thank you, sir.
What is the cost of
Please, sir. Please.
1 unit? What is the expected cost?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The expected cost of 1 unit of mask is roughly come around 6 rupees 30 paise, sir.
Can you say something about the biodegradability of this mask? Is it biodegradable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is absolutely biodegradable, sir. Even we have a numerous paper which citing the PVP and PLA, even PLGA composites are highly biodegradable and also biocompatible in nature, sir. So, like, it offers a good hydrophobicity also. The probably like the mask, when it is in contact with water, it doesn't lose its permeability. So obviously, it is a good choice of composite when we go for an higher mass production on tailoring these knuckles over a medical textile, sir.
What will happen if sweat falls on this mask? If it is drenched
It
in
is
perspiration?
exactly, sir. Like if sweat falls on this mask, it is a 3-layered mask completely made of non-woven. So it will not allow the water to get, it completely resists to the water molecule. Probably when the water, when it is permeated from inside out, will not projected out over the mask. So that you have no tension on moisture
No, water is okay, but sweat has some dissolved,
mask.
what you call solids and dissolved salts. So the effect of sweat would be different. No, did you study this effect?
So sorry, sir. Like I couldn't get your question, sir. Can
Did
you
you
please come
study
again?
the effect of sweat? Did you study the effect of sweat on this mask? Because you cannot simulate sweat with water.
Exactly. So we are in a process of developing a module of exposing the mask towards the sodium chloride aerosolization, sir. So that is a kind of obvious technique. So we are just process adding this. So we have done with the nanoscaffold part, and also we have done with the impregnation over the medical textiles. The efficacy part now we are evaluating, sir. Soon or in a span of time of 1 or 2 months, we will come up with the productive results what we are achieving with that, sir.
That's all from my side. Questions from my colleagues.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Shivan, I just want to ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
What is the life
Please, sir.
of this mask?
Sir, like conventional N95 mask, this mask is not washable, sir. So it is a kind of a stuff that comes with use and throw. This so obviously like no usability on this mask. So this mask as of now it is a single stage mask with you can to use only once, sir.
Any adverse effect towards skin whenever using for these polymers we are using, no? Any?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We did with some cell lines, sir, like human keratinocyte cell line. It is absolutely compatible. This composite we done with the differentiation pattern. We done alone with the PVP, and also we have because we are planning for 2 composites, sir. One with PVP alone, another one is PVP with some ratio, patented ratio of PLG and PLGA. So it is absolutely safe, sir, and it is not having any desired adverse effect on the developed cell lines in vitro that we done it with the cell line culture module, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many people you are applied means made a trial on that this particular mask?
No, sir. Like we with the basic scaffold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's with the basic scaffold we did with the in vitro studies, sir. Now we obviously in humans it is not been attempted yet, sir.
Achha, it's not in right now. It's not available in the market. Means going to be.
Exactly. It's soon it's going to be happening, sir.
Okay. So it is a safe, as per your point of view, it's a safe and cost effective. Am I correct?
Exactly, sir.
Okay. Anyway, for congratulations for that. If
Thank you so much, sir.
Success and launched for the our people.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Thank you. Over to you, sir. Over to organizer.